the big night.
Yeah.
We were cutting our hair, then he cut mine really short. I was like, I almost died.
Ayan, so, your hair.
Well,
Yes,
it's okay.
your hair.
He didn't cut your head. He cut your
Yeah,
hair,
yes,
so it's okay.
Yan. Okay. O siya, ready ka na ba ulit, Brett, para
Of course,
tumugtog?
ready
Nakahinga ka na
always.
ba? Okay na, nakarelax. Ay, hindi pa pala. Hindi pa pala. Meron pa palang chance. Oo, meron pang chance ang isa nating caller. Anong line ba to? Saang...
Hello, caller.
Ayan, yung caller natin na
I hope
mag-ask
it's
ng
not wrong.
isang question lang. Alright? O, sige. Hello? 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 Mali yung...
Hello?
Oh, ayan.
I hope it's not Frixie's parents.
Oh my God. Brett, what are you doing?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, Fu. What's your name?
Hana,
Hi, Hana. Tagasan ka?
taga Cavite.
Okay. Hana, may tanong ka daw kay Brett. Ano raw yung itatanong mo kay Brett?
Kamusta na po kayo ni Ate Fritzy?
Oh, I love that
What's the
question.
meaning, Fritzy? Okay lang. We're really close. Friends. Friends po.
Oh.
Yon, friends lang. Wala na bang ano?
Wala. Friends.
Wala pa? Wala
Showbiz
pa.
answer. Friends.
Answer. Alright.
But we don't like showbiz's answer. We want to like more.
Ryan, what are you doing? Later, ha? Later, ha?
Ayan, o. Mamaya ka raw,
Sa
Ryan,
labas,
ha?
ha?
Ayan, o siya. Sige, Hana?
Po?
Hana, nandiyan ka pa? Meron ka pang gustong itanong kay Kuya Brett? Ilan taon ka na, Hana?
11.
11 years old. O, anong itatanong mo pa kay
Ang
Kuya
cute
Brett?
mo.
Mahirap po ba yung task ni Big Brother?
Ano?
Mahirap daw ba yung mga tasks ni Big
Big
Brother?
Brother.
O siguro mas maganda, saan ka pinaka nahirapan dun sa mga tasks na pinagawa sa'yo?
Domino chairs.
Oh
Oh
my
my Lord.
God.
7 hours of domino chair. We're sitting in a chair made of dominoes for 7 hours. Like, just have to sit. And if you move, it will break. And if it breaks, you have to rebuild it. Mahirap yun.
Okay, yun. Nasagot ka ba, Hana?
Opo.
Ayan, gusto mo bang tanungin din natin kung saan siya pinakanadalian?
Sige po.
Ayan, tanong na rin natin, saan ka raw
Okay.
pinakanadalian? It's the easiest.
For the easiest was during, I think, what was that? Tinter Olympics or what's that?
Oh, yeah, the Olympic
when
things.
When we're singing,
Yeah.
Mhm.
it was easy. We just,
Yeah.
everyone just knew the songs.
Because
Easy.
Brett and you and James, we are
James.
really,
Oh,
they are
talaga.
really good in
James.
singing. Yeah, except me.
And then Ryan.
Except
Sa kahon.
Except Ryan. Alright. Wala ka na bang ibang tatanong, Hana?
Meron pa po.
Ano pa?
May nililigawan ka po ba ngayon?
Ano?
May nililigawan ka ba raw ngayon? Are you courting somebody? Someone niya?
No.
Ay, Brett.
Wala. Wala?
Wala po.
Wala daw?
Wala.
Wala daw. Pwede ka raw ba, Hana? Kaso bata ka pa eh. Hana?
Hindi po.
Hindi pa. Hindi ka na bata. Hindi ka na bata. Bata mo pa. 12 years old ba?
11
Tama ba? 11 years old? O, bata ka pa, bata ka pa. O, wala ka na ibang tatanong?
Wala na po.
Wala na. Alright, maraming salamat, Hana.
Bye-bye.
Ayan, Hana?
Hello?
Hana, gusto mong imuha-muha chup-chup si Kuya Brett?
Sige po.
O, sige. Kuya Brett, sabihin mo kay Hana, muha-muha, tapos si Hana mag-chup-chup sa'yo. Alam niya na
Okay,
gagawin.
okay.
Alright.
Hannah, mwah.
Chup chup.
Alright. Thanks so much, Hannah. Iyan naman, o, kita nyo, ganyan dito sa tambayan, no? Ganun lang, ang aming kasiyahan ni mababaw lang. Oo, kaya naman, ngayon, hahandugan na ulit tayo ng tugtugin, syempre, ni Brett. Pero bago yan, ako binabati muna natin, ha, yung mga tambayers natin, sina Karen, si Jay, DJ Charlie, kababayan, di ay nako sa Cebu. Sa Cebu pa ko before and kapatid ko, sabi niya Charlie. Hindi ko na alam eh. Hindi ko naintindihan yung sinabi niya. Si DJ Charlie daw, nasa Cebu siya dati. Yan, nabibisaya din yan. DJ natin dito after this program. Yun. Regards daw,
Bisaya
regards.
people.
Oo, mga Bisaya. O siya, sige, meron ka bang i-dedicate naman para sa mga Visayan na listeners natin na song mo? Pwede bang i-dedicate mo yan?
Let's give you a dedication.